Hey guys, welcome back. As promised, take you guys with me on this nature walk. But before I get started, oh, this is interesting. I might have to come back by and get this. How much? Hi.
It's different price. Here it's $5.
Yeah.
$7, $10, $5 children. Here I do
Okay.
I'm sorry I changed.
This one's $7.
$7.
Okay.
There's not one for $5. Yes, New York City. Here.
I wonder. Can you put it on hold for me or no? I want to take a walk through the park and I was gonna come back. Then I want to carry it. Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna come back. Okay, you gonna be here like in an hour? All right, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back. Thank you. What's good? Oh, magnets. Well, I should get a magnet, huh? Magnet's only $1. I just don't want to carry all this stuff. I'm gonna have to come back. I don't want to carry all this stuff with me, yo. I mean, I could, but I just don't want to. So I might have to swing back by through here. It's good to see that they're out and about. Okay, then. The vendors are out here in New York. What's going on? What's happening? How are you guys doing? So, I'm going to take this lovely walk through the park. I feel like I got enough exercise for today though, because I have been out and about running errands. I started early this morning. I got a break early this morning with laundry. I had like, how many loads? Oh my gosh, I had so many loads of clothes that I washed. I think like 6 loads of clothes, you guys, that I washed that came with my shipment from LA. And so that is done. I feel very accomplished having completed that. It is busy out here today. It is busy out here. How are y'all doing? Feels good too. I had to put on a lighter jacket because I'm just like, oh, the weather is warm today. Yes. We are gonna go for a nature walk. And I was inspired to this video because I saw one of my memory videos. You know how Facebook shows you like your memories or whatever. And so I was looking back like a year ago where I did a walking vlog out here in Central Park. And I was inspired. I was like, oh my gosh, I have to come back. So I'm here, you guys. We are here. And so we're just going to take in the nature. Taking nature walks are very therapeutic.
Sure, yeah.
They're very therapeutic, you guys. Like, you get to see things like this. I mean, just look at this. This is so beautiful, isn't it? Oh my gosh. I don't know what kind of flowers are these, but this is just so lovely, guys. Just taking in the beautiful nature. Yes, it is wonderful out. I think it's in the 70s here. It feels great. It's like, have to come out here, yo. Just have to. Yes, beautiful out here. Man. Birthday parties, picnics. So if you guys are familiar with how I do my nature walks, I just like go wherever the wind takes me. I don't have a destination. just go wherever the wind takes me. But it is beautiful out here. But I do want to do some grounding though. I have to come back and buy that book. And maybe a magnet. But I have other places that I wanted to go after I leave the park, so I don't know. Let's see. She's gonna put it on hold for me, she says. It's like, alright. Alrighty. But I'm in a great mood. Despite, I feel like, you know, there's always something to try to like throw you off your throne, right? It's just always something. Yeah, they got a whole gig over here. This is funny. But no, I was like at the supermarket earlier. For like just people be testing me, yo. This is cute. And you know they be tripping about like paying for bags here. Like, oh, make sure you pay for the bag. Just like, if you don't leave me the fuck alone over 10 cents, yo. And then right before I got here to the park, I'm on my phone like checking the weather, right? Walking down the sidewalk. She's so cute. Walking down the sidewalk and I hear a voice from behind me projected into my freaking ear that says, "Get off your phone." Yo, I wasn't gonna look back, but then I looked back and it was this old ass white man, yo. I mean, I want to say old ass because he's older than me, but he was probably like in his, I don't know, I would say late 60s maybe. Yeah, late 60s. And he was going into a building, but I'm just like, I'm not in your way. I'm not one of those kind of black people that be like, oh, sorry, let me move out your way. Bitch, I'm not in your fucking way. This is my sidewalk just as much as it's your sidewalk. I'm not in your way. I'm talking about get off your phone because, yeah, my pace did slow down a little bit. It's not like I stopped in front of him, but it was a whole sidewalk. You could walk around. Like, don't try me. So I look back at him. I said, excuse you? And he looking at me and shit. And then walk into his building. Don't try me. We are at peace. Let me be at peace, okay? Which direction? Should I go left or right? Left. Oh, it smells so good out here. The flowers are blooming. It smells great. But I'm like, don't try me. You better walk in your building. You know what's best for you. You better because, listen, I'm not the one. But then I went into a CVS, like, after I had left the supermarket where they was tripping over a freaking 10 cents bag. And then the lady complimented me. She was like, nice coat. So I was like, okay, look at the universe balancing out that negative energy with positive energy. Don't bring your negativity over here. Don't do it. But yeah, that's my little rant for today. Other than that, I don't have any complaints. It's minor stuff. Minor stuff. I hear the sounds of nature. I have a taste for some garlic crabs. I might go get me some today. They're like calling my name. They're just like, come and enjoy. How are y'all doing today? I'm feeling good. I'm feeling like I'm in a good space in my life right now. Because I just realized, like, I only have 4 more months left of my pre-doc internship. It's just, time is just flying by. I was talking with my supervisor today, and I was just like, yo, time is just pew, pew. It's going by so fast. But I did have a nice walk, because I walked from my place to the Home Depot in my neighborhood, which is like a mile away. So I had a nice exercise, nice walk. And now I'm taking another walk. Say my hair looks great. I got them edges. Oh, I use, what did I freaking use on my hair? I used rose water and some kind of cream stuff. I don't know. I forget the name. I'll show you guys later. Yeah. I've been doing that lately, like smoothing on my edges, but they don't stay smooth. They get right back rough again. I don't mind it though. I like the nappy look too. I like both looks. I like the nappy look. I like the smooth, wavy look. But I guess people just like, it's springtime. People just starting to feel themselves. And I'm just like, stay in your lane, bro.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea.
Because I'm not the one. I am not the one. How are y'all doing this Saturday? Sharonda, how are you doing? Maybe I should sit down and ground and meditate. Oh, look at these rocks over here. Look at these rocks. I might take a chill over here. Real quick, like. Woo! Doing wonderful? Yeah? It's great. Or should I go over there? Grass. The sun is behind me, so. Actually, the sun is like directly above me because it's 1 o'clock, right? It's at the 1 o'clock hour. 12:50. Perfect timing. Can't let negative things get to you. Because if so, their negative energy would transfer onto you. So maybe that guy was having a bad day. And if I allow that to affect me, then I'm going to take on that same negative energy. And then that's what I'm going to attract. And that's not what I want. And normally my energy is just upbeat, it's positive. And that's why I attract positive energy. People can pick up on that. And they gravitate towards you. And they smile at you and give you compliments. And then the little birdies, they come to you. But I'm chilling. I kind of want to go to the zoo. Like, I feel like the weather is just so great that it's so many different things that I could do right now with my day. But I do know that I want to go eat some crabs. I do have a taste for some garlic crabs, y'all. And in my shipment that came from LA was a big ass crab pie. I almost forgot I had it. I was like, I have this crab pie. You can hear the birds in the trees? Yes. Sharonda, remind me where you live at. Where you live at again? Yes, gotta just emit positive energy, you know, because people be they be having a bad day, whatever. I'm just like, dude was right in front of his building. I didn't, like, interfere with his flow that much, you know what I'm saying? Like, when I began to look at my phone to check the weather and I was slowing down a little bit, I was still walking like I came to a complete stop. But he was behind me, and then that's when he gonna yell, "Get off your phone." She's so cute. He's like, "Get off your phone." And so I'm just like, yo, if you don't go in your building, you having a bad day, what is wrong with you? You're so cute. Kids, that's the thing about kids. They do not care, yo. I be feeling like a big kid sometimes. Sharonda, you are not in no Alaska. Stop it. You in Alaska? I didn't think black people lived in Alaska. For real, you in Alaska. Y'all be surprising me with stuff y'all be saying sometimes. Yes, it's good to get some sunlight. We need sun to survive. It's like recharging. Oh, it feels good. It's perfect weather, y'all. Can't believe you are in Alaska. I just want to lay down in the grass. That's what I feel like doing right now. Just laying down. I did have me some sips of red wine before I left my crib. Came out here to take this nice, lovely walk. So if y'all see my eyes a little zooted, you know why. Oh, I miss my doggy. I miss my doggy. Indeed. The most beautiful summers in the world. You are really in Alaska. Wow. I could live out in nature, yo. So many different directions to go. I might get a bicycle, but I like walking better though. I feel like you get to see more when you walk. I just want some really good seafood. Hi. Really tasty, meaty crab legs. It is wonderful. I like to get lost in the park and then I figure out like, where am I? Where am I? I'm lost. Where are those? So do they have marijuana dispensaries in Alaska? I know you told me you did, like, you know, you blaze here and there, but I was just curious.
So you're looking up
Which way should I go? Straight? Straight. What is up there?
If you sit on that bench over there, you see everything. We saw red cardinal, bright yellow ones, everything.
Really?
Yeah, you don't even need the binoculars.
It's a lot to see out here. Like, nature is blooming. You said best weed in the world, very liberal with it too. Wow. Really? Wow.
Well, look at this rock.
is that? Yo, that's a camera? What kind of lens he got? Yeah. That is a humongous lens. Alright, where am I at? We can go this way. But it makes sense, you know. Living in Alaska is like you do what you want to do. That's like California. California is like a different country. They really do what they want to do over there. I'm trying to look at the landmarks to make sure I'm headed in the right direction. If not, this is really going to be an adventure. Alright. That's interesting. So you know they legalized marijuana here in New York, but they so backwards with the laws that they legalized the smoking of marijuana, but apparently it's not fully legal because you can't buy it because they haven't legalized the sale of it yet. So I guess if you bring it into New York, you're able to smoke it without penalty, but you can't buy it because they haven't legalized the sale of it. They backwards in New York. I was like, that's some backwards ass lawmaking, yo. When they legalized marijuana, recreational marijuana in California, like it was a one and done deal, right? It wasn't like a partial legalization where you can smoke it but you can't buy it. So how the fuck you gonna freaking smoke it if you can't buy it? Where are you gonna get it from? That's funny. Yeah, check this out. They have a lot of places in Central Park that are perfect for photo shoots, but it's just a matter of remembering where they are. I just be stumbling across places. This is nice. They have canoeing over here. Yeah, that makes no sense at all, right? At all. I would do that. But I don't think I want to do it by myself. I do a lot of things by myself, but that, canoeing, I don't think I want to do that by myself. I'm surprised they don't have any life jackets on. I guess the water can't be that deep. It's like standing water. Because I would want a life jacket. I really can't swim. I mean, I feel like I can survive, but I'm not like a swimmer. Look how they have this stairway. I like that. Natural stairway. Naturally man-made stairway to heaven. You can't swim either? I know, it's just one of those things. I feel like I applaud parents who put their kids in swim lessons, because that's when the age when you're supposed to learn when you're young. When you become an adult, it's too late. It's like learning a second language. It's better to teach your kid when they are younger than older. See? It's a nice little spot right here to chill at. They have dining over there. I can doggy paddle, but I never learned how to float. Let me see, let's go this way. These are the shoes I'm wearing. So, comfortable. pretty cool instead of wearing boots. Let's go over here. Ah, so cute. See where this takes us. Must be nice. Takes us back on the path.
Let's look at them.
Is that near that?
Wait a minute. This is a dead end, so I gotta go back? Wait a minute. How do I get across? I'm always coming up on proposals. It's like, I don't know what that is about. Congrats, you guys! This is the second proposal I came up on randomly. The other one I think was around the Christmas holidays when I went on this attraction called The Edge, and this guy proposed to his girlfriend. So beautiful.
So now we have.
Aww. That might be a sign, y'all. Marriage, like I said, it can be scary.
Congratulations.
Yeah, I don't think the water is that deep. You can see the bottom. That's probably why they don't require life jackets, because you can stand in the water. All right, let's go back up this way.
So we have
Aww. That's beautiful, isn't it? He said congratulations. I know, right? It's the second one, yo. The other one was like about 4 months ago, around the Christmas holidays, New Year's time. And this guy proposed to his girlfriend when we were at this attraction called The Edge. So like one of the highest points in New York City. All the way up, 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 up.
The necessary data to.
I thought that was so beautiful. It's popping out here, yo. There's a lot of people out here. It makes sense though, because of the weather. Hi, excuse me. Let me squeeze through here. Excuse me. Thank you. I think I gotta go back up this way, because where I came from, this is just like a dead end. Go back this way. But I wonder if I go that way down there, where would it take me? I wish I could find a place like here in Manhattan that sold some really good garlic crab legs. I'm pretty sure there is a place, I just haven't found it. And if there is, it might be most likely in Harlem. Not anywhere in this part of town. Alright, where am I going? This way? really is. I think I know where I'm going. I think that is my landmark there. Over there, that way, south. Seek and you shall find, I know, right? I like to discover new things. Sometimes I like to get lost. My client was like, "It's supposed to snow?" I'm like, nah, it's not. I think the snow is gone. We're done with the snow here in New York. I know other places though in the U.S. I heard they're supposed to be getting some snow, but not here. This weather is too warm. Granted, they did trick us on Thursday, because Thursday it was in the 30s. I'm just like, how we go from the 30s to the 70s? But yeah, I think the snow is gone officially. Oh, they having fun over there. How can I get over there? I want to go over there. They look like they having fun over there. Well, let's see, can we make our way over there? If I have battery, I might take y'all with me through the town. Let's see. The town.
Yeah.
AKA the city. Oh, look at those turtles. Look, they're all congregated right here on this rock. So cool. I'm gonna come back out here and go canoeing. Just gotta find a partner to go with. You guys come to New York, hit me up. I like to just go out and have fun. That's the kind of person I am. You know? That's why I be telling guys I be dating, like, it's better to just not date me, but just be my friend. Because if you're just my friend, we're more likely to remain friends forever. But if you date me, it's just like, There's a lot of expectations, I think, when it comes to dating. That just ruins the whole thing for people. So just try to just get to know me. Just be friends. And then what happens, happens. You know what I'm saying? It's going to naturally happen anyway because it's organic. But don't jump to with the intention of dating. Just move with the intention to get to know and be friends. That's a pointer for you guys. Yes. It's bright out here, so I'm trying to read the comments, but it's a glare. Yeah, friends is where it's at, right? He says 90% gone here too. So beautiful, waiting for the trees to bloom and burst. Thanks, Tyrone. I don't know how to pronounce your first name. Yeah, it's nice out here. I knew that it was springtime when they started planting a bunch of flowers throughout my neighborhood, all over. I'm like, oh yeah, it's springtime. I'm not the only one taping. I don't feel odd. Because I remember like a couple years ago when I was in New York, I felt odd, out of place because nobody else was vlogging like that. But now it's more vloggers, so I don't feel weird. Tyrone, where are you from? It looks peaceful, right? I guess I do have life jackets in the canoe if needed, necessary. Right there in the back. Say May 1st, flowers coming out. Yeah. That's nice. Let's see, which way I want to go? This way. I want to go to the west side, so I'm trying to veer towards the east. Yo, I should have asked that dude what kind of lens he had. I was like, a long protruding lens. Like, what kind of lens is that? That shit had to be about 2-3 feet long, it seemed like. It's really big and wide. You know, it probably costs like upward $20,000 for that lens. I need to get a photographer though. I'm going to hire me a photographer pretty soon because I'm about to take some cap and gown pictures. It's that time. It's time. Oh, we have arrived. I'm surprised nobody's out here selling them. That's like a phone. It's the camera. I got the phone. Yeah, New Yorkers are over that mask shit. Y'all see, we over that shit. I mean, it's a few people wearing masks. If you look very closely, you'll see. This is where the masks are. Hold on. This is where the masks are. This is where the masks are. Not on people's faces. People just over it, you know? It's too nice out here to be covering your nose with a mask. Like, the air smells very pure because the flowers are in full bloom. Cherry blossoms over there. I see the cherry blossoms. Kids be having a mind of their own. A lot of photo shoots taking place. Natural lighting is just the best for photo shoots. No other lighting compares to natural lighting. York is bouncing back. We bouncing back out here. As I knew we would. Kind of want some ice cream. Look at that horse. So cute.
Side by side. Hurry up, fellas. Hustle up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
on the floor. Yeah.
I knew I would come across one of these performances sooner or later.
Watch the wires. Watch the wires, ladies. Keep going. Yes, thank you.
I feel like once you've seen one of these shows, you've seen them all.
You step forward, sir. Yes.
I want some ice cream.
Stop.
Because they all do the same thing. Like, even on, like, in Times Square and Venice Beach in California.
All right, gentlemen. Relax. Hands to the sides. You didn't do nothing wrong yet, all
They
right?
be doing the same
Relax.
thing,
Hands
but
up
we'll
front.
see. They take forever, though, to get started.
Here's the deal. When the music starts,
What they got over here? Let's
follow
see.
my partner right here. As she talking. Not sexy talking.